Linda here. So in this video I want to show you the best thread for fixing a torn lace on your wig. In the past I always used to use this one right here, which is called a strong finishing line. This particular one right here is the one they typically use for making all those jewelries that they tend to make on the hand. So this is that one they typically use for jewelries, and this is one I'd always used in the past. So one thing a subscriber on YouTube mentioned to me was that this thread is actually very thick. It's too thick for a lace wig, so she asked that I get the one for wigs. I went to my local market, which is Balogun Market in Lagos, Nigeria, and I asked for the thread for fixing lace wigs, and they gave me this one, which is called a nylon thread. So the nylon thread is the thread you should ask for if you're looking for a thread to fix your lace wigs. At the time when I was looking for this I was looking for the thread, I couldn't find this one in the market. I couldn't find this one. I didn't even know what I was looking for. That was the reason why I ended up buying this one right here. After that subscriber mentioned in one of my videos, I went to the market and I looked for this one right here, which is called the nylon thread. So this thread right here is what you should be looking for if you're looking for a thread that you can use to fix torn parts of your lace wig. So head over to the market and look for a nylon thread, and this one right here is 200 millimeter. I think that's the length of the material you get in this particular container. So this is a 200 millimeter nylon thread. Yeah, and I can't remember how much I bought this for, but I don't think it exceeded, let's say, like 1,000 naira thereabout. It wasn't expensive, so it's quite affordable. Just go to all those stores where they sell things for making wigs, mannequins, conditioner, shampoo. I bought this one in Lagos Island, so depending on where you are watching this video, if you're in the US, if you're in any country in the world, just go to the beauty supply section and ask them if they have this nylon thread. But if you can't find it in your local store, maybe you should probably try out on Amazon or Alibaba or AliExpress or any of all those websites that you can find beauty supply items. This is a nylon thread. Thanks so much for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, and share this video with somebody who is going to also find it helpful. I love you. Have a fantastic day. Be bold, have courage, live a positive life. Bye, love. Nylon thread.